Alright, so my tower is 660. It's pushing forward. Alright, now the game gives me a whole bunch of coins. That will not be enough to push it all the way forward, but it helps. It gets it close. So I'm playing as the game is giving me my free coins. I am going to try to win this tower. I am going to win this tower. I'm not leaving until I've won this tower. See how long it takes me. How long will it take to win a freshly built tower? So I'm trying to drop the coins to the left because I really want to. The yellow, remember the yellow bonus gives you coins. The red bonus gives you a chance to build another tower. The blue bonus only gives you tickets. I do like tickets, but either I want to build another tower or win free coins. So, because the coins will help push the tower along. But really it's like Plinko. You drop the coin and don't really have that much control. It's luck. You can try, but still a little bit of luck. A little bit of skill, a little bit of luck. Alright, so there was all my free coins from the game. I'm trying to get to the left, but it keeps going to the right. There we go, 4 coins. Alright. There's 2 zombie bucks in there?
Got the jackpot of 800 coins.
Oh wow. So I've been working on this. Robert's been playing Zombie Snatcher. That's his favorite game. He says there's 2 zombie bucks. That's very rare. I've never seen 2 zombie bucks at once. Are they in the thing right now? Are there 2 zombie bucks in it right now?
No, I put 1 in.
Oh, or you mean you've won 2 zombie bucks? Got it. Okay, I misunderstood him. I thought he meant there. He just means he's won it twice. That's all. I was about to walk over there. I thought there was a glitch, but no. It's just me misunderstanding what he meant. See, it's when you don't want to get the blue, is when you get the blue. There we go, red 12. Tower, 6 tickets. Or I should say red 6 tickets. Red 6 tickets again. Oh man, not doing very well at all. Come on, come on. All right, I gotta time this better. My timing's not good. So I gotta remember, I want it when it goes out. There we go. I got 8 coins. Tickets. I got the 40 coin bonus on yellow. Oh man, that was 50 tokens used up very quickly. All right, let's try 50 more. Got a long way to go. Oh, timing wrong. All right, here we go. Oh, almost went into the red. Oh, I got 2 12s in a row. I just got the 50 coins from yellow. Let's see if that moves the tower at all. Not really. I moved it a little. Say to spam it, like when I win the 60 or when I win the 100? What do you think?
When you win the 100.
When you win the 100, you also spam it?
I do.
Alright, just asking. Oh, I just got a tower. Or the game did. It will, if you don't play it quick enough, it will shoot your coin out for you. Alright, so I tend to play the single coin method on this particular game. Robert likes to do the spamming method. I just asked him when he normally does it. Because it's been 8 minutes already and not much is happening. Did I just get the 60? I just won the 60 and didn't realize it. Is that helping at all? Alright, I'm gonna put a bunch on. I'm gonna put 100 on, just in case, because I'm almost winning the 100. And if I win the 100, I'm gonna try Robert's method of spamming. Now this is an expensive game. This is, let's see, what is it, 13 credits? It's kind of expensive. One more. Alright, there we go, 100, okay. So if I get that 100 yellow, I'll spam, use Robert's method. That was 16 coins. Oh, so 12 coins. 11 minutes and I haven't won it yet. But I'm not gonna give up, so come back. Next video I post will hopefully be me winning this tower.